Intune update. So a project that we've been doing that's been a lot of fun is a feature that recently rolled out, which allows us to do Autopilot for Azure AD hybrid join scenarios. So what the crap is that? Let me be specific. This allows you to domain join a Windows 10 computer when that computer is off your corporate network and using the Autopilot framework of Intune. The user experience would be they get a new laptop, they unshrink wrap the thing, IT never had to touch it, they turn it on, and it domain joins itself through Azure and then becomes enrolled in Intune, and you can manage applications and stuff to it, but it's still traditionally domain joined. That's been there for years with Azure AD join devices, but to actually get them domain joined to on-prem, it does not require VPN. There's a special connector that routes through the cloud back to on-prem to actually create the computer object in Active Directory. So if you've been interested in Autopilot, but you're not ready to take the full-on plunge to Azure AD joining the Windows 10 device, and you still need group policies and you still need some on-prem Active Directory join traditional models, then this is a pretty cool story for you, okay? If you hear it called Microsoft Unified Endpoint Management, a little longer to say than the word Intune, but this is their kind of newer phrase or new name for you calling Intune, and it provides some additional visibility and management capabilities around managing devices and users and applications. So that's the big thing I wanted to share about Intune.